Ready? Let's. I got my I Love Grandma bib on. Here we go.
Whoa.
It's not sweet potatoes. They're not sweet potatoes.
Those are peaches.
They're peaches. Mmm. Mmm. They're good. Yes, I like them. I just didn't know what they were. Mmm. Peaches. Yes, smile for Grandpa. Say, Grandpa, I love your peaches. Mmm. Ready? Doing good. Mmm. Yeah. You're good. You're doing good. He's like thinking about it. He's like, these are not sweet potatoes.